The next topic that we are going to cover is reconstruction of the binary tree using InOrder and PostOrder traversal. Now, when InOrder and PostOrder traversals are given to you, you are going to get the root node from the PostOrder traversal and you are going to get the left and the right subtree from the InOrder traversal. So, root node will get identified from the PostOrder traversal and the subtrees will get identified from the InOrder traversal. Now, when we had covered PostOrder traversal, I told you that the root node always appears at the end of a PostOrder traversal. So, in this case, the tree that has been given to us, this is the PostOrder traversal of the tree. A appears at the end. So since A appears at the end of the PostOrder traversal, so A is the root node of our tree. So A is the root node of the tree. Now again, once you have got the root node, you are going to search out the root node in the InOrder traversal. When you have got the root node in the InOrder traversal, anything that appears on the left hand side of the root node is the left subtree and anything that appears on the right hand side of the root node is the right subtree of your binary tree. So therefore, C, E, B, F and D, this is the left subtree of A. G, H, this is the right subtree of A. Now, you see, I have written the nodes in the same order as it appears in the InOrder traversal. Same order, C, E, B, F, D, C, E, B, F, D. So, since the nodes are written in the same order, this comprises of the InOrder traversal of the left subtree. GH written in the same order comprises of the InOrder traversal of the right subtree. Now, once we have got the InOrder traversal of the left and the right subtree, we are going to search out these nodes from the PostOrder traversal. Again, the nodes might not appear in the same sequence as they appear in the InOrder traversal, but the nodes would be lying side by side. So you see the 5 nodes over here on the left hand side are C, E, B, F, D. Over here we also get C, F, B, D, E, and we get all these 5 nodes, but the order has changed. So this is the sequence of the PostOrder traversal of the nodes. And the PostOrder traversal of the right subtree over here is H, G. Now, as the left and the right subtree has been detected, now again we are going to look at the PostOrder traversal of the left subtree. When you look at the PostOrder traversal of the left subtree, the node that appears at the end is B. So therefore, B is the root node of the left subtree of A. This B we will search out in the InOrder traversal. Anything that appears on the left hand side of B is the left subtree. Anything that appears on the right is the right subtree of B. So F, D is the right subtree of B. C, E is the left subtree of B. And since I have written the nodes in the same order as it appears in the InOrder traversal, so this is the InOrder traversal of the left subtree of B and this is the InOrder traversal of the right subtree of B. Now, C and E, these two nodes we are going to search out in the PostOrder traversal. You see the nodes appear over here, E comma C. So this is the post order traversal of the left subtree of B. F comma D. F comma D we get over here. So F comma D, this is the post order traversal of the right subtree of B. Now we are going to look at again the post order traversal of the left subtree. Post order traversal, the last node is C. So therefore C is the root node of the left child of B. Now looking at the in-order traversal, left side of C is empty and the right side of C has a E. So the left child of C is null and the right child of C is E. Again, the last node in the post order traversal of the right subtree of B is D. So D is the root node of the right child of B. From the in-order traversal, we see that on the left hand side there is an F and on the right hand side it is empty. So right side of D is null and the left child of D is F. Right? Coming to the right subtree of A. Again, look at the post order traversal. The last node gives you the root node, that means G. Now when you look at the in-order traversal, the left hand side of G is empty, right hand side there is an H. So the left hand side of G is null and the right hand side has the node H. Right? So this is how you construct a binary tree using in-order and post-order traversal. So again, for recap, post-order traversal would always give you the root node. And where would you get the root node? You will get the root node as the last node of post-order traversal, and the left and the right subtree would be given to you by the in-order traversal. So let me draw the tree for you. So this is the binary tree that we constructed.